turnover is the process where the entire fluid volume circulates through the stir bar. One complete turnover can be indicated by the transition from the initial mixing to the uniform dispersion of powders in the epoxy resin, serving as an indicator of mixing efficiency. The spoon was used to overcome the surface tension and put the powder into the liquid. The down-pumping mode of the high-turnover SRS pulls the pigment downward along the rotational axis and disperses it diagonally downward from the blades. The hybrid radial-axial flow of the SRS design rapidly disperses the pigment in the high-viscosity liquid. The rod pushes fluid outward. The high-viscosity fluid's resistance to shear causes the mixing domain to expand in a torus shape. The pigment cannot be dispersed uniformly by rod's radial-only flow pattern. The required time for SRS to complete one turnover is 1 minute and 53 seconds. The required time for rod to complete one turnover is over 20 minutes. Thanks for watching.